I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Hi. So today, y'all, I want to show y'all what I got my dog, because she's spoiled already. She got some stuff. Okay? But it's open at the top because I had to make sure this is the right package. So yeah, don't even mind that. Okay? So, let me show you what my Willa got. Where's she at? I don't know. I don't know where that dog is at. I think she downstairs. They are probably downstairs. Okay, so first thing first, we got some pee pads. Pee pads, because we are potty training her, and we need these. These are needed. Very needed. I want to see how big they are. They feel like very cheap. That's what it feels like. And let's see how big they are. Okay, these are giving very cheap looking and very small. That's why there's so many in there. Yeah, these definitely give cheap and very small. Look at my mugshot. But yeah, that's that. Probably got to lay down about 3-4 of these mugs. Because them getting very, very cheap. That's why so many in there. They got me. They got me. Okay. Alright. Now this, I think this for the kitchen. Yeah. So I made a mistake and ordered one thing for the kitchen. And yes, it was a mistake. But am I gonna keep it? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, this for the kitchen. For the kitchen. Y'all need to see that. It's a little shelf thing for the kitchen. For the kitchen. Okay, we got some clothes. This is a little outfit. Okay. I don't think Willa Baby's gonna be able to fit this, but it's so cute. Ah, I don't think she's gonna be able to fit this. It stretches though. It's cute. Protect her little fur. It's actually is cute. Why my head always itching? What y'all got? Cause my head always itching every time I get on here for y'all. But yeah, this is so cute. Y'all like it? Okay. I was gonna do this one. Probably last, but yes, I'll do it. Yes, I'll go ahead and get rid of it right now. I got long nails, but they ain't nailing. They use some muscle. I'm over here not using no muscle. Well, I tried to use a little muscle. I'm actually just grabbed them scissors, y'all. I didn't even have to use no muscle, so I could have just grabbed them down scissors. Cause this seems like it's gonna take a minute. And we did it. Another one, guys. Another one. Okay, this is fun. Okay, I was about to say, Willa, you ain't gonna get it. This trend. Okay, so this is a little bed mat, and it actually is Way better than what I expected. Way better than what I expected. It's nice. It's for her cage. Yes. Page. Way better than what I expected. Okay, well, I need one of these. I'm dead. It is pretty. I'm so excited for you, Willa. I'm dead. I'm funny. Now that's cute. That actually is way better than what I expected. Okay. Now, this is for her food. So we won't get like food accesses everywhere, you know, like there's food everywhere. We just let it suck it down and all it nice. I might actually leave this in the room because we leave water in here for her, so I might actually leave this in the room. 10 out of 10. Okay, Willa. They eating you together. And I actually got all this stuff off Temu. So they're not bad after all. They're not bad after all. I don't remember what this is. Aww. Doggy toys. Doggy teething toys. She's gonna love these. Okay, this is the first one. Second one. Okay. Third one. She's gonna love these. For them teeth. Well, it don't make noise, but it's a ball. It's cute. So you can tell my favorite color pink, red the favorite color pink, and a dog favorite color pink. This a I'm about to say it smells like a little dog. These ones are really nice. Okay, okay, Willa, I see you. I see you in sport already. Altogether, this came up to $250 something. She got a lot. Okay, this is my favorite because I wanted to see this. I definitely wanted to see this with y'all. Okay, Willa. So I guess I don't think she's gonna be able to fit this. Gotta give my baby a little yeasty. It's a Buffy. This is so cute. So cute. Okay, let's see her color. I'm so excited for this stuff, y'all understand. Okay. Temu definitely did their big one because I thought this stuff was gonna come like, what the hell? I just spent $250 for no reason. I know, they did their big one. Ooh. This one is really cute. Okay, it's giving. She black too, so that's gonna be so fire. And then I got the leash, which we needed a new one because we cannot fit that other one on her. Ooh, okay. So I'm guessing there you go right there. Hey, y'all, yup. Let me see. Okay, you got a little thing on there. Okay, well. And then these are bags for like when we take her for walks. And she shit. She can be shitting in them people's yard. Okay. These are cute though. Willa, you got more clothes than me. Okay, let's see what this one about. Oh, this is so cute. I don't think she's gonna be able to fit this. But she might. We're gonna see because we're gonna give her a bath. And we're gonna let Rayla pick out which outfit she should wear first. This one say Little Miss Attitude. My baby don't got attitude. She don't be having attitude. She nice. Okay. And then this is pet ear wipes. Keep them ears clean. Head wipes. And there's my daughter messing up my videos. Can you bring the dog upstairs if you go down?
What up here?
Yeah. So she can see her beautiful things. Wipes. I wonder if they smell good, y'all. They don't seem to have no smell. But that's it. Okay. I'm saving that big one for last. 'Cause I really like that. So, we got some wipes. This is for her little toot and her little boo. Alcohol free, natural perfume. Let's see if they smell like, because these are actually for her, because when she come from outside, I want to wipe that booty. You gotta be a lady. Be a lady. Hey Willa. They smell good too. Then I guess this is a bath kit, okay? So this pretty much can use to like brush her hair when I give her a bath. So cute, so cute. Wait. Yeah, I really don't know exactly this way. Oh. Washer. See? Come here, Willa. Okay, this definitely is something that I need, but I hope it don't hurt my baby, because this is a little hard. Oh, then I guess I do this. And hair come off. I hope this don't hurt my baby, because it's a little hard. When I wash this. For her teeth, brushing teeth. Gotta get in there. Okay. This is a comb. She's gonna hate me after baths. This is a comb. But you're gonna be so clean. She won't come. Some little cutters. Some little nail cutters. But I will never cut her nails because I'm scared to do that. Come here, Willow. Look at all your stuff. Need some little polish. But I'm so scared because I don't want to hurt her. This shit's hard. I don't even know what to put this for. Probably for grooming. I think this is for grooming. But y'all tell me in the comments what this is for. Because it's mighty sharp. Okay. Then this, I hope she didn't pee. Is a tracker for her. Because ain't nobody else steal my dog. Well, I know you didn't pee. Didn't I have? Then this is her thing. It says, name Willa. Why did they mess up on my baby stuff? This is false advertising. This is very much false advertising. Now I'm pissed. It's a name Willa. They be false advertising because that is not how it's supposed to be. It don't supposed to have the name part on there. It'll do, I guess. Willa just be in her own little world. Cause she's literally right there. I want to get this on because I don't want to lose it. Because if I set them motherfucker down, I will lose it. They just blew me with that though. Name Willa. Duh, we know that's supposed to be the name part, but why are y'all not, you know, I don't know. We're gonna just set this right here. Cause that was the Lord. Last but not least. Ta-da! This is a car seat because my girl gotta come. She gotta come in the car after she get them shots though. Okay, my girl gotta come. Now let's see. Yes, this is for you. This is for you. Okay, Willa. This is really nice, guys. I didn't think it was this nice. Okay, Willa, I see you, girl. You live in luxury. She live in luxury. She's not gonna be able to live in this for a long time. I said be in this for a long time. It's nice though. It's nice. It's way better than I expected. What's in here? Put some little doggy treats in here. Okay, Willa. Okay, girl. Better than I expected. 1,000 out of 10. Okay. And that's all.